Hello everyone. The update product field using an import file module allows user to update a product details in a bulk using an import file. This functionality helps business effectively manage a product information by updating a key attributes based on the product code, name, or a barcode. With this module, user can save time by automating the product updates instead of making a manual changes in Odoo. After installing this module, let's get into the sales. Over here, you can see an option to import a data. So over here, you can see an option we can import it based on the code, based on the name, or else a barcode. And here is a sample file. So from here, we can download a sample Excel file. So we have a file. So over here, you can see that this is the format of the file we have. This is a product, and also we can see the internal reference, category, type, barcode, sales price, cost price. So by using this module, we can change the product category, type, sales price, cost price. Okay, based on the internal reference, barcode, or a name. Now, from here, let me change the sales price to 10,000 and the cost price to 17,000. Okay, and then we can see, and it will be in the type consumable product right now. So let it be. So let's get into an database where you can see it will be in the storeable now. So let it be, it will be changes to consumable then. Okay, and over here you can see it will be in the all category. So we have selected an C level here, and in this we have changed and sales price as well as the cost price of this product. Now, yeah, if the internal reference of this will be new, let me change that too. Now let's import the same. So from here, let's import by using the name, and I'll just upload a file over here and I click on the import. Now let's get into the product and check how it works. Over here, you can see the sales price. You can see the sales price, cost price, consumable, and also you can see the product category too. The consumable, the type can be taken from and field like consume, service, and also the product. And here in this, it's a product category. So the product category is taken from and um, the main category name. So we need to add this name into the table to avoid some errors. Okay. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.